Hello guys, welcome to the channel Crypto Global 100, and today's video is about the Tron TRX USDT pair. Tron. Okay, this is a Tron price prediction video. So I thought I would give you some scenario, what's the condition going on right now for the Tron USDT pair. uh, so let's start the video. So here you can see I have drawn some volume range, and this white line, okay, this is a point of control, and near the point of control you see a lot of things are happening where you see a lot of traders, buy and sell at these points. Here you can see one point, here you can see this is the region, and it's been throughout. You see, this is the main point. Here you can also see they're making four regions four times. Whenever the price reached there, it was bounced back. You see, it was bounced back, and then it retested the lower of the swing high. Then it again came back, retested that swing high, the swing low. Then it went up and tested and break through that with high volume. You can see here it was a good high volume, that's why it broke up. It went down again to test this level, and it went up, making new high. Let me draw this zone here. So, and it again came back and tested here at this point of control. You see here it again came back, and then it went up again. Again it came back and retested, again retested, and now again it's back to this point of control. So you can say this 0.13, this range. Let me delete the boxes so I can draw some good zones here. Yeah, so if I delete, let me zoom in a bit so we can have a look. If we draw boxes like here, let me draw this, which is a low volume zone. Here the volume is very low. Okay, let's draw this to this level. Okay, now if we copy it, we clone it, and we make it here as well to the lowest of this range. And now if we clone it again and make it visible here with a good volume, largest of the volume, and make it green would be a good thing. So now let's delete this one, and now we have some zones here as well. This is basically these are the monthly zones. I have drawn all the zones are necessary. These are the zones inside the zones, and I have taken the chart from the 1st of April 21. So here we have, right now you can see, as I have already told you guys, here the price consolidated in this region. You see the price consolidated in this region, then again here the price consolidated in this region. Here if it was tested, here it was once more, here it was again. You see here how many times the price have reacted to this one. If we let's say how many times the price reacted to this level. 1, 2 times. It broke through, so we can't count that. 2, and broke through or down, and 3. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, now came here. Let's take a look at here. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4, and 5th. So you can see here this is also a good zone because the price is in this range. We need to break upside or downside. That's the thing right now. So here you can see, let me give you a clear picture now. If I give you the clear picture, so if we look on the bigger time frame, let's go on to the bigger time frame, the daily chart. Here let's take a look at here. Here you can see this candle, which is a hammer candle, and it was a downtrend, and then the buyers came in and absorbed all the supply. So this became the demand zone. So now we can say the price is moving in the after the downtrend of maybe, yeah, 16, 17, 18, 19, 4 days of downtrend. It is now might be in consolidation phase, we can say. Or now we need some good volume. Once we get the good volume, we can move up. So, and also you can notice that there are a lot of wicks, lot of long wicks, upside, downside, 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 downside. See, not these are very low. This one is big, this one's big as well. Okay, so note it. So just note that how many vixes are in the range. In this range, you can see a lot of selling is going in this range. We can call this as well. You see here, if we, you see here and here and here. What does it gives you? What does it shows you? This region, you see this region, there are a lot of sellers in here. You see a lot of sellers, and you can see that right in front that this candle gives you an idea that previously it lot of things, you see, previously if we look at this candle, okay, the body of this candle, it shows you that because this the light and the supply was absorbed here, you see. So you can see that here there are a lot of sellers sitting around here at this zone, you see, at this zone, and that's why it went down. The price went down from here and it was all the way down. And now if we look at the buying zone, let's take a look at the buying. Where are the buyers? You can see here, okay, this candle, if we go through this green, reflects the same zone. There are a lot of buyers. Then if we go to this candle, the same zone. Okay, if we go through this, you can see here a lot of buyers are there in the market. So that's why this candle was absorbed and with a good volume. So now what is going on in here? And here you see here, see the right, this zone was the consolidation zone. This one was a consolidation zone. It went up with a good volume, went down with a good volume as well. So now it all depends on the volume as well. And we need some good volume to break through this level. And the next good level would be this one, because here a lot of sellers are here. We need to break this level of 0.146, because you can see here there's a good wicks going through this level. This is the first support zone, you know, it's our first resistance zone. We can call this as a supply zone as well. If we make this zone as this, we need to break through this, and might be it's gonna retest back and we're gonna, you know, move like this. First move would be this, then second, and then we can break through. With the next resistance would be here, then we can again came back and retest this level. That would be a good healthy move, and then we're gonna move up again. Then that would be again this ones, that would become our good supply. And that is like, you know, good uptrend here. If it goes like this, we can, you see here, it can go like this. You can see the trend is being followed here, you see here. So we can see a good, this is the triangle, this is making a triangle as well. See here, it's like upward trend. So we are in a good shape as well. We need just a good volume for the price to move up. Let me draw the fib retracement as well. Sorry for that. Let me draw from, if, well, this fib has to be drawn from the lowest of this level. So if we draw here, go to the one, yeah, there. So let's take a look at here. We can be aiming for 0.2 in coming days. But for that, first we need to break through these levels of resistances. I know the chart has become a little complicated, but that's how the things are. We need to find the exact, you know, we need to find the exact what's going on in the market for the Tron USDT pair. So guys, that's it. I have given you the brief introduction, sorry, the detailed analysis of the Tron TRX, and now you can, if you want to place a trade on a daily basis, you know, on the daily chart, it means you are on the long term. It can take weeks, it can take days, it can take months to break through this level. If you are for here for the, you know, for the daily scalping, you see, daily scalping, you need to look for the 4 or 1 hour chart, and then you can place trades. And with, if we look at these EMAs, you see there are the EMAs. And let me draw the, just let me clear it. Okay, on the 1 hour chart, that EMA, the price is below the EMA. We also need to break through this level as well. Okay, if you look at the 4 hour chart and its break, it's down the, so on the 4 hour chart it's bullish. So if we look at the, let me give you the technical, what the indicators are showing for the Tron. For 1 month it's strong buy, 1 week it's buy, but here oscillators are saying that selling, it's buy. And yeah, 4 hour is kind of, you know, selling going on. 1 hour is good. So if we look on the larger time frame, the price is moving upward. But if we are looking in the smaller time frame, there is, you know, a lot of scalpers might be going on, because you can see here that there are so many wicks ups and downs. You see in the shorter time frame, you can see there are a lot of wicks ups, a lot of its downside. So it means the price, there are a lot of sellers and buyers. People are, you know, just doing scalpings. When there are a lot of wicks ups and then downs, it means there are a lot of sellers, a lot of buyers. The price is in consolidation phase, and the things are, you know, you have to look, if that's the case, you have to look on the long term, you have to look on the larger time frame. So that's it guys for today. I know it's clear, not clear that much, but I have tried to explain what I knew. So that's it guys, take care, happy trading, bye.